How to silence text message notifications at night on iPhone. Hello everyone, I am Bishakha and welcome to our channel Create, Login and Delete. Let's get right into the tutorial. In order to silence text messages notifications at night on iPhone, launch the Settings application on your device and then tap on Focus. You will see various options here. Tap on Do Not Disturb, scroll down and firstly tap on Add Schedule and set the time from when and until when you do not want message notification. You can also select the location and app accordingly. Now go back, and if you want notification from a few people and silent the rest user, then tap on People and then tap on Add People and select the user you want notification from. Tap on Done once selected. Also, if you want to silence all applications except for a few, then tap on Apps and then tap on Add Apps and select the apps you want notification from while on silent mode. Tap on Done once selected. Your Do Not Disturb mode is all set now, and this is how you can silence text messages notification at night on your iPhone. If you find this tutorial helpful, do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for staying with us until the end.